Come here, Wayne. Come on. This is how it turned out. We ended up replacing all that whole front end. We put wood all the way up through there. Can't really see, there's some sun shining on there. It turned out really nice. We put trim bead across there, across the top there. Replaced all the windows back in. We used the same cushion for the bed because it was still in good shape. We ended up taking the carpet out and put wood floors in because the carpet was old and worn out, so it needs to be swept, but we did that. We took the dinette out because it took up so much room and it was old and it just took about a lot of space, so we kind of rebuilt the shape, put a different kind of shaped cushions in here, and we just use TV trays. So it sleeps 4 because it's got the queen bed, and then you can sleep 2 over the bed, over the cab. So it turned out pretty nice, we thought. So we're real happy with it, the way it is. We changed curtains out. We took the curtains that were in here, or the blinds, out and put roll-up blinds in 2 of them, in the living room part and the kitchen part. They still need to be replaced in the bedroom, which that still needs to be done. So all in all, we're real pleased with it. Extremely happy with the way the overbed turned out. Oh, the other thing we did is we replaced all of the lighting with LED lights. That was a big difference.